Hello. Today I will do experiment related to show that coffee is either basic or acidic in nature. So start our experiment. Material required: turmeric paper, litmus paper, coffee, water, container and a teaspoon. Let's start. First make a solution of coffee. So let's start. Take few drops of water and take coffee. Then put coffee into the solution. Like this. Now mix it thoroughly. Now, by the help of teaspoon, put 2-3 drops of coffee solution on litmus paper and turmeric paper. Let's start. Now mix it. You are observing that the litmus paper turns to red color. It means that coffee is acidic in nature. Thank you.